Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot. I'm your host, Derek Sweet. I'm a board certified psychiatrist and a performance specialist. And today is Self Care Saturday on the Sweet Spot. We've been journeying through hidden revelations all week, and today we arrive at one that is often overlooked, but absolutely essential: the revelation of rest. So let's start with this truth. You can't pour from an empty cup, no matter how strong you are. That's one of my favorite quotes. You can't pour from an empty cup. But here's the hidden revelation. True rest doesn't restore your body, it recalibrates your soul. And one of the most powerful ways to access that restoration, my friend, is music. It has helped me all through my life, especially during medical school and residency. I used music. Yeah, that old school wisdom through music. We had to go there and get that music. Have you ever been in that situation where you had to go there and get your music, and it was your music that brought you through? Listen to the OGs. Marvin Gaye said, "Music, that's the healing force of the world." Aretha Franklin said, "Sometimes what you're looking for is already inside you. You just need the right song to find it." Donny Hathaway gave us this: "When I sing, I feel the hurt disappear." Al Green said, "Soul music is pain and joy because healing needs both." And the great Gladys Knight once sang, "I've had my share of life's ups and downs, but faith and music kept me going." These weren't just lyrics, they were healing in motion. But here's what science is now confirming. Music lowers blood pressure and reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. Just imagine that. How many of us are on high blood pressure medicine? Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying stop the medication and listen to music, but music can help lower your blood pressure and reduce the stress hormone cortisol. Listening to slow tempo instrumental music can activate your parasympathetic nervous system. That's the relaxation nervous system, which will help your body rest and digest. Remember, you have two types of nervous systems. You have a sympathetic nervous system, which is really about fight and flight, and it's an activating one, and it's the one that keeps us going and kind of helps us when we have to handle stressful situations. And sometimes this sympathetic nervous system is just overactive. We need the parasympathetic nervous system to help us breathe, relax, let our blood vessels open. And that comes when you listen to the right kind of music, relaxing music. Singing along with music, even humming, has been shown by science to stimulate the vagus nerve. Again, that's part of the parasympathetic nervous system. And that vagus nerve can regulate your heart rate, your mood, your blood pressure, everything, your immune function. All these positive things hidden in music, a hidden revelation that I'm giving you right now. And the pause between the notes, that's what makes the music. That's where your brain resets. Those breaks in the rhythm are mini revelations of the power of stillness. So here's the hidden revelation. Rest isn't always quiet. Sometimes we think that's the only way rest can come. No, sometimes rest sounds like your favorite song. Even in jazz and soul, The silence between the notes gives the music that meaning. The pause isn't a break from the music, it's part of the rhythm. You getting what I'm saying? The pause, the silence in between the music you love. It's part of the music. And your rest, it's part of your life. It's part of your formula. It's part of what you have to incorporate so that you can be great, so that you can be effective, so you can be healthy. Self care, my friend, beautiful soul. Self care through music is an ancient and modern technique that has never grown old. It's soul medicine. So that's a revelation. That's a hidden revelation. I want you to pull out some music today. Go find some music. What's your song? What are your songs? What are the ones that regenerate you? And understand the hidden connection between listening to that song, letting your cranial nerve, your eighth cranial nerve in your head, your vestibular, auditory and vestibular nerve, let that cranial nerve take that music in and help you secrete all the positive neurotransmitters and hormones your body needs to recover. Hidden revelation. You know, another place that self-care is sort of hidden is in nature. Nature knows. The earth has a kind of a secret code. The earth has a hidden self-care code. Mother Earth has been modeling self-care for quite some time, since day one. Did you ever notice that trees just drop their leaves silently to conserve energy? They let go of their leaves. Did you know that bears, you know this, bears hibernate for quite some time to restore their energy? And the oceans have tides. You see, there's a rhythm to restoration. There's wisdom in this thing we call the pause. What rests, renews. What slows down, survives. That's the message nature's been giving us all along. A hidden revelation. Research shows that spending just 20 minutes in nature lowers your heart rate and blood pressure. Just like the music. Getting out there into the green areas. Getting out there and seeing the blue sky, going for a walk, barefoot if possible, on grass or sand. Yeah, just walking around and among the trees it can boost your immune system. There are cells called natural killer cells in your body that fight off all kinds of infections. And a hidden revelation is that when you're out in nature and you're taking care of yourself, you increase the amount of natural killer cells which can fight off infection and boost your immunity. That's good news against cancer. That's good news against infection and all other kinds of invasive pathogens trying to get us. Natural environments enhance our creativity, our focus, and our emotional regulation. There's so much in nature when we go outside and we take it in. But you know what? We get so busy. We forget. This free universe is here for us. And what's the hidden revelation? Stillness isn't inactivity, it's the birthplace of your longevity. That's the thing. Our lifespan is affected by the music that we listen to and the nature that we're around. Rest improves your cardiovascular health, it regulates your blood pressure, it slows the effect of chronic stress on your immune system. So today, my friends, make no mistake, self-care is by no means soft. It is by no means selfish. It is sacred, it is science, and it's survival. Yeah, let's bring in the ancient truth, shall we? We always do. In the book of Isaiah, it says this: in quietness and confidence shall be your strength. Wow. God isn't always in an earthquake, in a big fire, in a thunderstorm or a thunderclap. Of course, God can be anywhere. Just ask Elijah Remember, we talked about him last time, Elijah. He met God in a whisper, not an earthquake, not a fire. When you meet God in a whisper, you're not weak. That's revelation. God is telling us that stillness is strength. Being quiet is extremely strong. Do you ever hear electricity talking to you? No. Do you ever hear oxygen making a noise as you breathe it in? No. These things are so powerful, and yet they're so quiet. It's another revelation, hidden revelation from nature. The pause is not the problem. The stillness is not the problem. The pause is not the problem. It's the power. And let's not forget, even you know who rested on the seventh day. Not because he needed to, he's God, but because he was modeling rhythm and restoration, a pattern where the pause is a part of the entire system of things. We've gotten to a place, I don't know about you, but I feel like we've gotten to a place where pausing and resting and stillness feels as if it's a waste of time or we're losing out. When in fact, everything, even our music and our nature, everything around us that's amazing has a pause built into it. So I want you to take a breath right now. Just take a deep breath because you probably haven't yet. A nice deep breath and just let it out. And I want to say this to you. Rest is actually a kind of resistance in a world that's so addicted to hustle. You weren't created to grind endlessly, my friend. You were created to thrive. And when you pause, when you take that time out, pausing is not quitting, it's repositioning. Sometimes the strongest move that you could make is to make no move at all. And I'm serious about that. Because that's when your blood vessels and your heart and your brain and your body, your muscles, your musculoskeletal system, your immune system will reset itself. Remember, longevity is built in these margins. You don't just live longer, you live better when you honor these pauses, when you take these timeouts, when you hug a tree, when you walk barefoot on the grass. I'm not trying to be some kind of a hippie dude, but this is all important science. What stays hidden stays heavy. We've said this before in this series. What stays hidden stays heavy. But what you reveal, you can heal. What you can see, you can fix. Let your self-care be the flashlight today. Because when you slow down and you take a moment, you can even feel which parts of your body are telling you we need some attention. So today, my friends, let your healing playlist play. Let the wind hit your face. Let your body rest without feeling any guilt. Turn the cell phone off for 5 minutes. And know that the hidden revelation is this. Rest isn't a break from greatness. It isn't a break from the task at hand. It's the way you sustain your greatness. It's the way you sustain your efficacy. That magic that only you bring to this moment. Rest is how you sustain that magic. Okay, now, you've been in the sweet spot. You really have. All week long with hidden revelations. And this is Dr. Sweet. I'll catch you tomorrow for Slow Down Sunday, where we will take this journey even higher with a trip through the cosmos. Those of you who are sweet spotters with me, you know every Sunday we go from Saturday's nature's rhythm into the galactic stillness, and we go into astrophysics, and we look at how the power of rest and wonder and silence and stillness and surrender can just take us to another level on a universal scale. All right, now, thank you for listening. I'll see you tomorrow for Slow Down Sunday, I pray. Until then, my friend, take care of yourself. Breathe. Go find some music. Listen to a song that lights up your soul today. And get out in nature. Touch a tree. Walk barefoot. Whatever you got to do, enjoy. Love and blessings. And be well.